Hey guys, Moshe the Electric Israeli, and I want to give you some highlights of the Tesla earning for Q1 of 2020, very much anticipated. So we'll start with cash. Cash is up to $8.1 billion cash on hand or cash equivalents. It's an increase of 1.8 billion. Profitability, 283 millions GAAP operating income, which is 4.7% operating margin in Q1. 16 million GAAP net income, 227 million non-GAAP net income in Q1. Gross margin at the China Gigafactory operating level to the US made Model 3, Model Y gross margin positive in Q1. Operations, Model Y deliveries began significantly ahead of schedule, as you know. Increase of the Model S range to 391 miles with no increase of battery capacity. Reached production of 1,000 solar roofs in a single week. That is great. Here is some other numbers. Automotive revenues in Q1, $5.132 billion, and 254 million of regulatory credit. This is credits that Tesla have and sells it to other automotive, so they avoid paying high taxes. Automotive gross profit, 1.311 billion. Automotive gross margin, 25.5%. That is a huge number. Total revenues, 5.985. Total gross profit, 1.234 billion, and total GAAP gross margin 20.6%. Now it talks about operating expenses and adjusted EBITDA. I'm going to show you, I'm going to put this sticker so you can read it, because I just want to go over the absolute highlights. Now, as for production and deliveries, Model S and X production in Q1 of 2020, 15,390. Model 3 and Y, 87,282, totaling 102,672 total production. Now, deliveries, it's slightly different. S and X delivered 12,230. In Model 3 and Model Y, 76,266, which bringing total deliveries to 88,496 total deliveries globally. Now, as for projection for 2020, Tesla is still holding the projection of 500,000 plus cars in 2020 around the world. That will be really hard to do, since Tesla production in the United States is halted for more than a month now. Now, autopilot, Tesla already enabled stop sign and traffic lights. It's been rolling out around the United States, at least as of April of 2020. A lot of people start to get this. Also, battery and powertrain, Tesla continue to hold a tremendous lead over everybody else in range. Give you some examples. A Tesla highest range, Model S, 391, closing to 400. The other manufacturers is around 260 miles, which gives Tesla a 132 miles gap advanced in range of their highest range vehicle. Solar roof, the business continue to grow. Q1 Gigafactory in New York reached a significant milestone in a single week. Roof production of 4 megawatt, enough for 1,000 homes. That is really spectacular in terms of the solar business. We know that they really want to push solar business ahead. Now, one more thing of significant, I think, is the fact that Tesla will not start delivering of the Semi this year. They'll push it to next year, and it has to do obviously with the shutdowns that's going around, but also it has to do with the fact that battery production is really challenging. If Tesla wants to deliver 500,000 cars, making these big semis, we need a lot of batteries, is really a challenge. So that's going to go to next year. No words yet about Cybertruck. It will come later on, and of course I will update you. That's the update for now. Hope you enjoyed. I'll give you more in the days to come. Thanks.